From Daily Forex, this is Chris taking a look at the U.S. stock market indices, the E-mini contracts for the S&P 500 and the NASDAQ 100. So as you can see, we had a massive sell-off, breaking down below 3,400 during the day, and then turning around right at the 50-day EMA. This shows resiliency. This tells me that the uptrending channel still holds, basically. So buying on dips continues to work. Same thing here in the NASDAQ 100. We kind of tested the outer range of this channel, if you will. 50-day EMA offers support. For those of you who thought that this was the beginning of something bigger, we need to break down below these hammers to make that happen. I don't think it does. I think liquidity continues to force itself into the stock market. And while many of the retail investors got smoked, because here in like the NASDAQ 100, Apple lost a lot during the day, institutional investors saw this as being on sale by, in Apple's case, I think at one point it was down about 16% off the high or 15%, something like that. Well, they come in and they buy it because it's cheap. It will continue to go higher as long as that's the case. So this is why you have to have a longer term game plan. We're in an uptrend. The last couple of days has been the massive pullback that we desperately needed. If I would have told you going into this session, hey, we're going to be down, 0.8% or so after this massive sell-off, you'd be like, oh, well, it looks like we're slowing down. Well, that's exactly what happened, just with a lot more volatility. Again, anything can happen, but this screams to me that the uptrend's still very much intact.